Hi, my name is Toby Ham. I'm an installer with Quality Craftsmen. I recently done a job for a family who had a son that had a disability and completed the job, and they were very satisfied. Upon completion of the job, I took a picture with the young man who was disabled, that wasn't able to take a bath or take a shower on his own, but now was able to because of the Quality Craftsman experience that we gave to him. And it made me feel like a big brother to him. As I saw his big brother taking care of him, I knew that I had took care of him in the end once the job was complete. I'm thankful for being able to have the ability and the skills to make a difference in his life and also in his family's life as well.